Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you 4 shades of the House of Light collection by Madame Glam, and you can use my code on the screen to get a discount on their website. So first, I'm gonna start with this one. This is called Inner Peace. This is a very bright pink shade. It's very opaque on the first coat. All these polishes are rated as 5 out of 5 for opacity, so this is really pretty for the summer and it's really neon. Next we have this turquoise color. This is called Crystal Ball, and it's also very opaque on the first coat. I think that my camera got it a little bit brighter than it really is. It's leaning toward the pastel side of the color, but it's still really pretty, and I'm really surprised with the formula. Next we have this purple. This is called Healing Glam, and it also has like a very good opacity in the first coat. The brush is very easy to use. You can easily apply, and as all gel polishes are self-leveling, so that's what I really like about gel polishes, that are very easy to use. So the second coat is mainly for consistency, but honestly with one coat you can reach full opacity. And last but not least, we have this beautiful blue. This is called Mama Bear, and I found that this one was a little bit less opaque in the first coat than the other ones, but on the second coat you can reach full opacity and really see the true color. This is a very delicate color, and I think it will look great with the others combined. So here are next to each other, and I think this really is a good combination for nail art or for summer manicures. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!